If you want to sync your Google Calendar with your Apple Calendar so that you get all of the events on your iPhone and you don't miss a single thing, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, first, just hop out of the Calendar app and instead open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, scroll to the bottom and tap on Apps. From here, scroll down and tap on Calendar, and then tap on Calendar Accounts. You're going to create a new account with your Gmail account, so tap on Add an Account and tap on Google, and choose to open the web browser. Now, of course, just sign into your Google account from here to be able to add that Google Calendar to your phone. So just use your passkey and sign in. And now, after you do sign in, it'll look something like this. You'll see your email here. In my case, this is just my business account. And there is Calendar. So if Calendar is toggled off, all you need to do, and if those are deleted, all you need to do is toggle it on. However, even if it's turned on in the settings, doesn't mean it's turned on in the actual Calendar app. So let's do that as well. So after you've done that and it starts to sync up the calendar, let's open up the Calendar app on your iPhone. From here, tap on the calendar icon at the bottom right. And then you're going to scroll down and there is business, the one that I'm using in this case. So if this is unchecked, even though you have synced up the calendar items, it won't show up on your calendar. So make sure that account, in my case business, is checked maybe for holidays, or you can choose to not sync up the holidays. But for mail, this will show you all of your events associated with your Google Calendar. And they'll now be synced up directly to your Apple Calendar as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.